Hello everyone, welcome to the 100th Daily Draw video! Woo! Yay! Yeah, we've got a super exciting announcement for video 100. You want to tell them, Brittany?
Yeah, so we ordered food from this restaurant, and we got it all, and I was like, oh yay, I'm reducing my environmental footprint here, because, you know, everything came in aluminum foil, and I was like, you know, that's metal, that just kind of goes back into the ground, it can be melted down real easy.
Yeah, it's recyclable, it's good.
So every single...
There were two things in aluminum foil, they were on top.
So, hold on, okay, so they all came in these, like, heavy-duty plastic containers. They were just...
They're all in, like, Tupperware.
They're all in, like, Tupperware.
Okay, look, can we count how many Tupperware did we get with our...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. My milkshake came in a Tupperware.
Yes, it did. And then one of our salads came in aluminum foil only. The other
came in a Tupperware.
So I've really hit my ecological footprint today, I think.
Yes.
I am trying desperately to reduce how much waste I produce. You know, because the oceans are dying. You know. And
I mean, we're gonna use these containers.
We're gonna use them.
They're like
So we're actually going to
dishwasher
use,
safe.
Yeah, they're like dishwasher safe. So we're going to use them as takeout containers. We're gonna keep them in the car and use them as takeout containers.
Anyways, that's I didn't have a real exciting announcement for episode 100, guys. I'm sorry.
No, it's more just about how many plastic containers we got. And then there's one styrofoam thing. Styrofoam sucks too, but what is this? Like, it's amazing. I'm so excited.
Okay, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching.
100 videos. Bye.